everybody, this is Amy. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to do another watercolor design, doing just some purple rose buds. And I am once again using my Turner Artist watercolor because I can actually do more of like the one-stroke technique by using this paint. I am going to be using burnt sienna, a little bit of the phthalo green, but I am not a big fan of this green, so I probably will be actually focusing more on the sap green. I like more of a, I don't know, more like an olivey type color. I'm also going to be using the deoxy violet. I'm almost out of this, which is going to make me cry, the Chinese white. I'm going to have to get on and order some more. And yellow ochre. Or, no, I take that back. I'm not, yeah, I am using yellow ochre. Sorry, confusing myself. Brushes I'm using, once again, are the Amagic number 10. And I'm going to the big one, number 16. Alright, so as I mentioned, I am doing a one-stroke type stroke with these, or similar. Again, it's watercolor, so it's not, does not behave exactly like acrylic. I am dipping my brush into the doxycycline. I think I'm actually saying a drug instead of the dioxazine. I'm sorry. I am saying the drug instead of the actual name of the paint. Sorry about that. Going to just do a little bit on each side. I'm going to come on my paper, and I did wet my brush and just start doing some real simple, easy rose buds. Just coming down and going up and swinging around. Alright, going to dip in again, come over here, do some starting little blending strokes. That's one thing neat about this paint, because it allows me to do more of a acrylic type painting, but I'm actually using watercolors. Now I'm going to come down here a little bit more. And the intention is to have some of these layers showing like I'm doing, so that's intentional. Not a mistake. My brush is starting to get dry, so I'm tapping it a little bit into the water. And I got some green in here. Not what I intended. Wipe that off a little bit. I'm going to come back in, dip it into my paint again, and then I'm going to come through, come up like that. I picked up a piece of hair, which is unfortunate, sorry. And then I'm just doing this and pulling across, coming down, pulling across. And I'll come back here, except I'm running out of my white, so I'm trying to be as cautious with that as possible. But it's a little hard. I might actually come over here. And put that in like that. Might even do that a little bit over here with this one, just to have a little more stacking going on. I like that better. Alright, so then I'm going to switch over to my smaller brush, the number 10, and go into my greens. And I'm doing that sap green with the burnt sienna, and I'm just dipping and then kind of wiggling around. I do have some water on my brush, and I just pull my stem. And then come over here, I'm going to pull, it's going to have, like it has its own stem, or you could just put it on one. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. It doesn't matter however you choose to do it is fine. Alright, so then I'm going to take my brush and just swing it over like that. I'm sure you can see how much of this is very similar to a one-stroke type painting. With regular watercolors, I'm not going to say that's not possible to do, but it's not as easy to do as it is with this paint. And then I'm going to just put a little connector here, connecting it to my little stem. Then I'm going to come over here and basically do the same thing. And just swing it around. My brush got stuck there, sorry about that. Swinging it around. Probably need to put some more water in it. If it's too dry on the paper, well, this is just multimedia paper. If it were more for the watercolor, it would probably flow a little bit better. But I'm just using this since I'm doing a video with it. I don't want to put it on a good piece of paper. Now I'm messing it up. So I have to keep building on it here. And then come down. And then I just like to put some extra little strokes in here just to kind of give it a little bit of interest. You don't have to do those if you don't like them. Again, I'm just doing them just to give it, just to add some interest to it. And then coming over here, I'm going to do the same thing. Just keeping it simple. I'm still learning and trying to make it easy for other people to learn as well. So that's why, just trying to keep it basic and go from there with it. If you have any questions or constructive criticism, feel more than free to, share. That's fine. And then I'm just going to come up in here and just do my simple little one-stroke type leaves. A little more water in my brush. When you get little dry spots, you can do that. And then just kind of pull it up here. And I know this is kind of dark. It is dark. It's not really kind of dark. It is dark. But that's okay. That's what I was trying to go for. And then that. As it lightens up. I mean, I have the paint on kind of thick, so that's why it's a little darker up in here. But you can thin it out, with the water if you want. You can put lines in it if you want to look like you've got the stems, you've got them attached, that's fine. And then what I'm going to do is just throw in on here just some of the regular little wavy leaves. And then I'm just going to do a line down it like that, just to give it a smoother edge. Do the same thing over here, and it's okay if you rotate the colors. Have some colors like the green on top, the brown on top, from one leaf to another. That's fine. Just it doesn't matter. Just like I said, if you rotate it a little bit, it just gives it a little bit more interest. And then you can clean it up going this way, like that. And if you have any spots that you feel like need to be cleaned up, I kind of like to just go through, like I said, and just make a little extra pulls down. Don't have to do a lot of it, just a little bit. This kind of gives it some added interest. Alright, so that's it. Very simple, very quick. I hope you like it. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and then hit the subscribe button that you'll see underneath the video once you're finished viewing, and share this on your social network with all your family and friends. I would appreciate it. Alright, until the next time, please stay safe, and I will see you then. Have a good one.